the story of how my life changed as a Forex trader. I know many Forex traders out there are currently in the stage where I was when I started, and they are currently facing probably the same situation that I faced. So that's why I decided to use this opportunity to share my experience and what I started doing right that changed everything for me. So stick to the end of this video. You may find one or two things that is currently disturbing your progress as a Forex trader, and maybe it may help you to make some changes in your journey as a Forex trader. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please like, subscribe and share this video so that it can reach other Forex traders who are still struggling, and also you can get some videos like this from us. So when I first heard about Forex trading, I was so excited because it is a business that I could do without asking anybody to patronize me or without selling anything. So I just have to learn the business and start trading and start making money. I started just like every other Forex trader. I started learning from different YouTubers. I started learning from different tutors, trying to build up my strategy and understand what is going on in the market. At a point, I had enough knowledge, but the problem was that when you see my chart, it is always very scattered. I have a lot of indicators on my chart. I have a lot of trend lines. I have a lot of things on my chart. All these things create confusion for me. So I was making a little progress, but the progress that I was making was not really what I expected from the market or from the business as a whole. So at a point, I decided to delete everything indicator from my chart. In fact, right now I see indicators as noise. I changed my mind. I decided to understand what really happened in the market. What really happens in the market? Why are the candles moving? Price action. So when I started understanding what price action is, and started understanding how the market moves, this changed a lot of things for me. I started understanding what is going on and how to trade. That is first thing that changed my life as a Forex trader. Next is that I never planned any of my trades. Yes, honestly speaking, I never planned any of my trades. I just open my chart in the morning and check what is going on and try to find one or two opportunities and jump into it. And the same thing that many Forex traders out there do. But my life changed in a very big way when I started planning my trades. So I made it like a habit that every Saturday I must analyze all the instruments that I trade and know what is going on in the market, know what I am expecting in the week, know when to trade, because I don't trade every day. I trade on Tuesday. Maybe if I miss it, I trade on Wednesday, then another one I trade on Thursday. Between Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I trade within these days. So on Saturday, I just make my plans. What am I expecting from the market? What kind of moves am I expecting? What would I do if I see any reaction? I get ready for it. So whenever I'm seeing different kinds of noise on Monday or other days, not showing me what I expected from the week, I don't panic about it. You understand? And if I'm missing an opportunity or something like that, or maybe I don't rush market, I don't try to just jump into the market because it is moving. I changed everything, my discipline towards market, and I get myself prepared. This is also one of the things that you need to start doing today. See Forex trading as a business. Have a plan on Saturday or Sunday. Use that weekend to plan yourself. Plan what you're expecting in the week. Don't rush things. This will change a lot for you. Okay? So next thing that changed my life is trading less. This is just the truth. You know, many people believe that when you trade more, I also believe that. Let me not just say many people. I believe that every day I want to make at least $10, or I want to make at least maybe $50 when I started, you know, something like this. But I noticed that when I found my account with that little money that I used to have then, I always blow it up. Yes, because I trade every day and I'm always exhausted, tired, and a kind of feel like I'm losing everything. It was affecting me psychologically. So then I decided to trade less. I decided, just like I said earlier, I decided to trade at least twice a week if I see an opportunity. If I don't see an opportunity, I just leave it. When a lot of noise or people are showing off things on Instagram or social media platform, I'm never moved by that, because I know what I'm looking for in the market. Once I don't see it, I don't trade. And the moment I started trading less, everything became clearer. Anytime I come back to the market, I see the market in a different pattern. I see the market from different view. It has created candles that can show me what next would happen in the market. So I encourage you from today, trade less. Try to trade less. You will notice some changes, because trading more does not guarantee that you win all of them or that you become better than people that trade less. One trade a week can change everything that you trade maybe every day in the week. You may make money from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Saturday, you may just enter one careless trade and you lose everything you made for the week. So that's why you need to plan your trade less. It will help you to also trust your strategy, because when you lose more in the market, you lose a kind of belief in your strategy. So the next thing is that when everything started becoming okay for me, when things started changing, the next thing I did was to study more. You understand? Because a lot of traders out there, when they have good strategy and they are making money through it, they just feel relaxed. They just believe that this strategy will work for me, and they don't want to improve themselves. When I say improve yourself, I don't mean learning other things that may distract you from your strategy. Try to improve yourself in that particular strategy. Backtest steady. Backtesting is very stressful, but once you know your strategy and it works, learn more about that particular strategy, not learning other things. Learn more about it. Backtest a lot about it. It will build your confidence in that particular strategy that you use. So it is one of the things that I also used that changed my life in a big way as a forex trader when I started. So I believe that if you do the same thing, you will notice a lot of changes in your life as a forex trader. I'm a testimony to that, and I believe that it can also help you. So see you in my next video.